So if you've ever run into a situation where your large GoPro files are coming up corrupted on your Mac, this is probably going to be the solution for you. So the situation is that you'll go into image capture, just like you standardly do to import your GoPro files, and you'll notice that the file size on this is 4.29 gigabytes. Now, this is a 20-minute 5K video. It seems a little small. And after you import it, you'll go and you're gonna go ahead and open it, and it comes up corrupted. Now it's not actually corrupted. The issue is that 4.29 gigabytes, because that's the maximum amount that the image capture can actually import. So the solution to that is actually to use an SD card reader. So by using the SD card reader, here you can see we go ahead and sort by date to just make it easier to find. So whenever you use the SD card reader, you can actually import the entire amount, the entire size of the file. And after the import, you can see here, we're now able to open it fully, and we have no issues. So if we go here and we sort as a list, and you can see that the actual file is about double the size. So the reason that it's looking corrupted is because that's only part of the file. So you might find some solutions that say, oh, you can just import it to the GoPro Quick app on your phone. And you can, as long as it's not a 5K file, because the maximum for iOS is 4K. So you will be able to import it, but you won't actually be able to do anything with that file. So like save it, share it, anything like that. So that solution doesn't work. So I ran into this. I'm assuming other people have as well. So I'm hoping this helps.